Build time depends on how many people you have, how long each session runs, how often you meet, and everyone's skill level. Experienced makers move faster, and beginners may take a little longer. Each kit has 5 activities. Plan about 3 hours per activity, including the video tutorial plus design and build time. That's roughly 15 hours per kit. There are 16 subassembly kits, which comes to about 240 build hours. Final assembly adds 4 task sets, or about another 60 hours. For a solo DIY maker, the full build is approximately 300 hours, or about 40 8-hour days. In a high school STEM program, the build can be completed in as little as 15 weeks, delivered as one 3-hour session per week across 3 5-week phases. That's 45 hours of class time. In Phase 1, 24 students build kits 1 to 8 over the first 5 weeks. In Phase 2, the same cohort or a new cohort of 24 students builds kits 9 to 16 over the second 5 weeks. And finally, in Phase 3, the same or a new cohort of 24 students completes final assembly task sets 1 to 4 over the third 5-week phase. The build time adjusts with group size and session hours and frequency, but the total hours remain consistent.